Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
Today we're at Elizabeth's Purdy Trucks doing a walk around on a 2007 GMC Yukon Denali. Got a couple little spots right up front there. Just a few little scuffs. Checking the tires, good tread. Just going to be looking for dents, dings, scratches. Couple little spots here in that piece of trim. Nice set of step assists have been added. Rest of the driver's side looks nice and clean. As we get around to the rear of the vehicle, you're going to notice your integrated backup camera. A little bit of paint peeling right there. And we'll come up the passenger side now. Again, all the panels look good, just have a little bit of chipping in that piece of trim. Overall, exterior looks good. Inside the vehicle, full power windows and locks. You do get heated front seats, all power. It's a nice tan leather seating. 92,207 is your current mileage. AC's blowing cold. You've got AM, FM, navigation. All of your climate control functionality is going to be right here just below it. It is touchscreen. This is also going to be your screen for your backup display. Multiple power ports up front. Several additional storage options. All your books, headphones, controls for your DVD player in the back. One additional power port. And then all the flooring surface will be tan to match the seats. Taking a look in the back seat now. You do get the captain's chair arrangement here in the second row. Heated rear seats, as well as your rear air control. One additional power port. And then as we come up here, you'll notice your rear DVD entertainment center. All the flooring surface back here looks nice and clean, well maintained. Inside the cargo area, this will be your cargo area when the third row is in its upright position. Two flips. Those seats easily flip and fold out of the way. They can be removed. You can also lay the second row down for full pass-through storage. Coming in from the passenger side now, just taking one more look around here in the second row. These seats can flip and fold. Two flips, they're up out of the way. You now have easy access to your third row seating. Third row seating looks brand new back here, which is often the case. It rarely does get used. We're going to wrap up in the front passenger seat. Full power for the passenger as well as the driver. One more look over the seating surface there. We're going to jump in here and take one more spin around the back. And that's going to wrap up your 7-passenger 2007 GMC Yukon Denali.